Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Ljuren Cordless vacuum cleaner with an 80,000 RPM powerful motor for deep cleaning. This vacuum features a multi-layer filtration system that easily sweeps away dust, dirt and debris for a thorough clean. It comes with a 3-in-1 removable brush head and a dual-speed LED swivel brush that rotates 180 degrees to reach every corner. The adjustable height and telescopic tube let you customize it for comfortable use, while the wall bracket saves storage space. With a removable 2200 mAh battery, you get up to 35 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time and flexible charging options. Maintenance is simple thanks to the one-touch dust cup release and washable filter that can be reused after rinsing. Plus you get a 1-year maintenance service and responsive online support to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.